Yes, we can explain our hands-on first thing first on our slides. So maybe I can move this my screen, and yes. First of all, we will do ACL single stream inference. That means we will get a video stream, and then we will dive it using OpenCV frame by frame, and we will put it on ACL. And before do that, we will have a YOLO V3 cafe model, and we will use ATC to convert this model OM model. And using this model, we will try to detect some object from videos. So as I said before, the throughput of model will be better than original model, but there will be some tiny reduction like 0.2 in accuracy. But it's so tiny, don't worry about it. So, and thereby, as I said, we can distribute our model edge and cloud device. But now we will just run our models on HP OEHI, a Haiku cluster, and let's move next page how we can prepare our code and video. Actually, you can follow this source code, or we put our codes on Haiku GitHub page. You can find it on the folder below the folder of AI and Inference. Maybe I can show after this page. And we will collect cafe model, or we will download this cafe model using this link. And also we need to download this video using this link. But as I said, we can directly follow Haiku GitHub page. So after this getting the resources, we can move model conversion. We will put our cafe model, and we will convert offline model, that means OM model, using this using this bash script. And as I said before, it is a C++ sample. That's why we need to build our code, and after that we will binary file, and we will execute our model, and hopefully we will get this execute. Let's see how it is work on our cluster. So before do that, I want to show.
What are we trying to detect here from the video?
Sorry?
What are we trying to find from this video?
Actually, you know, this is trained on Coco dataset, and the Coco dataset has 80 class, and we will put a random video, and we will see what we will find on the video.
It's like dogs or cats?
Yes,
okay.
Dog, cats, person, car, truck, pedestrian, something like traffic light, something like that. Just Coco dataset. So.
Now you need to go to training.
Yes, you can see our codes under AI folder, and you will follow hands-on path, and then inference, and then we will do offline inference. As you know, we will follow offline inference, and this is multi-stream inference or single stream. Now it's single stream. We will follow this, and you can follow this README step by step what we will do. As I said before, we will put this video data folder into data folder, and then we will download pre-trained model and put it on the into model folder, and then we will load necessary models for like this model.gcc, OpenMP, and Khan and OpenCV, and we will create bash script for Slarm, and we will say use Atlas 800 3000, and we will do ATC model conversion, and we will build our we will build our project, and we will get binary file, and then we will run it like this. So after doing that, you can start the offline inference with Slarm like this, and in this stage we can check our queue with this command, and you know, we need to know everything is okay or not, and we can see output like this, or maybe we can directly get output file, but if we use cat, it is not inclusive or recursive, something like that. So yes, this is configuration, but you don't need to do configuration. But to be honest, we need to change this configure stream path. For example, the stream path data video test 3.mp4, but we don't know what is our video name. That's why, according to our video name file, we need to update this. Let me show where is the config file. The config file into data folder, after that config, and you will see setup config, and then yes, stream channel 0 data, something like that. You may probably it will just test .mp4. So, oh no. Come on.
You're in config.
Okay.
Go to okay.
All right. Good. And yeah, other configurations don't need to do. And yes, after do that, we will get this result like this. For example, if you see a person, we will say, it will say position of the object and labels and accuracy of the object. Yes, that's it. Let's go back to mobile stream. And
You want to show the video first to see whether.
sorry.
You want to show the video first?
Okay.
We can use input any video, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't
To be
mind whether-
to be honest, I don't know how is the video because I didn't check. Let's check together.
Let's see if there's any person in the video first. Before we.
Oh, sorry. What's going on?
Yeah, the video. Okay.
Probably we will just detect car. Maybe traffic light, maybe. Yes, something like this. Okay, let's go back to mobile extreme. And oh no. Test. I have the example on my local. That's why I'm trying to go there. But you can clone our web exampmples or our samples from Haiku GitHub page. Let me show. Okay. And AI, okay, hands-on, and where is it? And inference, and offline. Yes, ACL multi, and yes, that's it. Okay, now, yes, now we will go data. And model, yes. Let's look at. Yes, we did it before. That's why we have a Slarm batch script SH something like that. But I will remove.
It will not run on the.
I will remove that.
It will not run on the demos.
Maybe we can. We don't need to remove batch script .sh file, but we can remove fusion, kernel, all slarms. Maybe we can just like this. Sorry, like sorry. Where is okay? Like this.
Just send it to.
And cafe, okay, cafe model. That why we have two cafe model. I don't know. Let's do that. And we don't need YOLO v3.om because after YOLO v3.om because after do that we will get. Okay, let's. Yes, it's clear. YOLO v cafe model, YOLO v proto.txt, and AIPP. Yes, we can move on. Let's see our README file because our environment is ready to start. Yeah, we will create base script for Slarm like this, and let me copy because I don't want to. And as you can see, we will add this script. But before do that, let me sure our previous page script.sh. So, yeah. Yes, before do that we need to load module. Actually, I put it on into our Slurm, and it's important point. Please export OpenCV path like this, because we don't have this explanation or this part on our README file. That's why please export this OpenCV path like this on your site. So
I think these two statements are missing on the GitHub, and we're getting an error.
sorry?
These two statements, module load and export,
Yeah.
that's not on the GitHub page.
Actually, we have module load, but export not. You
No,
are
that's
right.
there, but in the
Module load, we have module load.
now go down to the bash script.
Yeah, if we use it out of bash script, it works. It's okay.
The export variable for OpenCV.
Yes, export is must. We have to do it, but we didn't put it. We will update README, but that's why I'm warning everyone. Please export OpenCV path to run your Slurm. And so let's go back.
Can you copy paste that statement to the chat?
Okay, yes.
Or I can do it as well. Just someone.
Okay. Yes, everything looks like good, but I'm not sure we have video on my site. Let me check before. Yes, video, yes, video. Yeah, test, okay, good. But before do that, I need to edit config file, because I didn't do it before. Let's go config folder, and we yes, we will edit setup config stream channel 0 data just test dot mp4. Okay, and to be sure it's okay, cats, and let's see. Yes, okay, it's okay. And let's go back to our model folder, and we have already batch script sh, and then we can start offline inference with Slurm like this, sbatch batch script sh, something like that. Sbatch. Yes, we can start sbatch. Oh, I'm sorry, sbatch. All right, and sq. Yes, it start. All right. Maybe we can tail out Wow. Where is our Slarm? Yes, it is start working now. I mean, that means we are converting. Yes, it starts like this. And it's built. I mean, yes. First thing first, we start ATC to convert our model, and then we convert successfully our model to OM model, and we start building to our CPP file, and we complete, not complete yet. Yes, as you can see, we complete the build our source code, and we get binary file, and our script directly pass this folder and run our main binary file, and the binary file looks or config according to configure file. I mean, we are using video paths or OM path according to our config file. I mean, after you don't need every time build your source code, you can just change your config file. It's dynamic. And as you can see, it's expected output. We are getting car. Yes.
YOLO prototypes is there, the model, that's why it's there.
So, any question for now? Actually, can you show the compile step? Actually, I show the step like this. This is model conversion. It's not related to building, but okay. You wanna see build SH, right? I think so. Maybe I can show. Maybe let me. Oh, sorry. Let me show. Where is build? Where is build? Build SH. Cat build.
This is the webinar.
Sorry. Cat build SH to show. Yeah. Before our hands-on, we add this CMake X flags like this with Stepan, but our source code in the GitHub page doesn't has it right. Yes.
Can we edit it on the page?
Maybe yes. I can copy and I can put in the chat. We need to update. We need to update which file? We need to update build.sh, build.sh. You can go main path of ACL multi-stream inference, and then you can open using vim this build.sh, and then you can edit CMake building script use, and you can add this flag.
Can I edit this online? Can I speak?
Yes.
I can edit the GitHub page.
Yes.
Is this CMake build type?
And I also add this, send this on the chat. Maybe you can add also export.
Yeah, I will do that. I have added the DCMake.
Yes.
Okay, build.
After do that, probably we will get results.
Okay, I have updated the one, then I have to do the export.
Any question for now? And yeah, we can see that so many users push their
Okay, I have updated the file.
yeah, so many users create their slums and pushed it our cluster. Let me check SQ.
Alright, don't hands on now.
There is a workshop now. 2 persons are trying. Come on, we have 8 MPU.
It's run. It's only one.
Only one. Yes, only one. Before this user, we have another users, and now we have just one.
You want to run it with a different video?
Yeah, I can run.
You can. Just see if you can find a cat video.
Maybe we can find a video from YouTube.
Yeah, cat low resolution video. Let's see if it finds a cat. You have to download the video, right? As an MP4 file.
Yes.
So can you download it from YouTube?
Yes.
You need a low resolution one. That's the problem.
Sorry?
You need a particular resolution, right?
Yes. Maybe cats. I don't know how.
This is a smaller one.
Do we have an example video on GT? Maybe it's so better.
Yeah, I think you have to have the right resolution, otherwise
Yes.
it won't work.
Yes.
You can change in the config script the resolution,
Yeah.
but I think let's do something which is works.
Yeah. Actually, I can. It's not a problem. We can do it, but I get following error. Sent permission denied. Which permission?
Can you show the compile script? Someone has a permission denied.
Kerem Kayabay.
Looks like Kareem doesn't have access to Ascent.
We currently looking at this because I've just by hand added Marcus to the group, and he still gets permission to land off.
Okay.
Okay. Let me stop my
Which
share.
username also has permission to land arrow?
K Kayabe.
K.
It's been used to set K K-A-Y-A-B-A-Y. Hence B-A-Y.
Okay, this is impossible to just look at it. Okay, let me first of all, let me rerun the script that adds equal.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Sure. Are you logged in?
Now it is downloaded.
Anywhere else on the machine running? Yeah, load up everywhere.
Just download a low resolution one. No, download a low resolution one.
Also,
Reduce the resolution.
No, it's not important.
It's not important?
No.
Control from the exit.
It's a very huge file. It's what, I think you're not sharing your screen.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So you have
Couldn't access the video file for some reason. Somehow I think it's not working. Didn't do anything.
Now.
Strange that happens.
Yes. Now we will try it with another video. This is cat video, and where am I? Oh, okay. Let's data and a video, and we get this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it didn't work. Why didn't work? Oh. Let me examine. Let me show another link from YouTube, and also maybe I can check it is work.
I think there's a lot of videos in this link. So you will.
Okay, it works, but maybe I can share. Or
Sorry, did the Zoom meeting change or something?
No? We are using the Hands-on Zoom, not the webinar Zoom.
Okay, where do I find it?
Sorry. Çok hızlı iniyor. Çok hızlı internet.
You should do some quotes. That's what Kamil says.
Sorry?
You should put wget within quotes the link.
Ah,
Let's try that actually. I'll send you some link for cat videos. You can use that.
yes. We have now test 2 MP4 file. Let's try, but surely that.
Change the name of the file.
Oh my goodness! Now the cluster is so many users. I think so. Wait, what? Remove it. Wow.
Oh, you missed the single quote.
Yes. Okay. And remove other. Wow.
No, just to say RM V star. It will delete it.
Just alright.
Just do RM and
No, just
single
video. Just
star video star video. No, not need for R. It's a file. Star video star.
Star videos.
Star video star should work.
Star video star.
Yeah, that should work. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And also reject log. Okay. And we can go back our config file
Stop recording.
and setup config, and it will be test 2. And let me sure it is update. Yes, it is. And go back module, and yeah, also we can
He is using /data.
Yeah, I used to do some close, I used to do as well, but
okay, cancel.
trying this is why I just start looking something.
So I will show new video again on my.
There's a video only 60 KB.
Show this.
Is there any limits on the size of the video?
No,
No.
this is video, new video. Let's try and let's see if we detect this cat or not. Okay. And let's SPatch. Basically, before do that, let's SQ. There is so many. No, it's enough. And SPatch and batch script. and tail f slarm 201, and we are waiting now ATC. ATC works fine. Actually, to be honest, we don't need to build again our code before, but we have problems because
I got the same one before I changed the file name in the setup CFG bit.
move atom not found. In the, yes, because we download is using we get from YouTube. That's why probably it is not compatible, or it is not right format in the cluster now. Okay, I'm back. Yes. John with computer ready. All right. Yes. Maybe I can share my screen, and also I can. Hello everyone. Now we are continue with another example, which is PyACL object detection. Actually, it is same with previous example, but we can think that just we change our program language, and we will use now Python on our example. It is more easy than before, because we don't need build something, and then we don't need to use binary file. We can run it directly. That's why I will pass this step, because almost same, and I will just show the sample output. As you can see, we will execute the demo directly typing Python 3 object underscore detect.py, something like that. After this .py file, we will just give data folder, and I would like to say this is this sample used just image, not video. That's why we can try a lot of image to be sure. And as you can see, we after running the sample, we will get bounding box value, and also we will get accuracy value, and as a result of this we will apply post-processing, and we will write inference result like this: person class 0 and bounding box coordinates, something like that, and its score is 0.99 and so on. So let's go back to our GitHub page, and let's look at it on the GitHub page. We will follow this ACL underscore YOLO v3 underscore detection sample in this section, because previous example someone used this, but we used ACL multi-stream inference. That's why I just remind it. Now we are using ACL underscore YOLO v3 underscore detection sample or example, something like that. Now, as you can see, we will start with again cloning or downloading our YOLO v3 Cafe model. Actually, if you download before on our previous example, you don't need do it. You can directly copy your YOLO v3 Cafe model to this sample model folder, and then you need to load necessary modules like this, and then we will create a bash script for Slurm. As you can see, it's almost same, but it doesn't need building stage, as I mentioned before. That's why we will just do ATC, and we will go source path, and then we will run Python script like this. So that's it. That's why I believe it's more simple example than before. Let's go back to our mobile stream page. Let me go. Sorry. Where am I? Yeah, I need to go ACL YOLO v3 underscore detection path, and to be sure I would like to type pwd. Yes, the path is right now, and we will go directly model folder, and as you can see I have Slurm and OM model because I did it before, but I will remove all of them, and I will do it again with you. And hang on, I need to delete. Okay, we just need YOLO v3.cafe model, YOLO v3.om, not OM, YOLO v3.proto.txt and AIPP underscore YOLO v3 blah blah blah. So let's check. Yes, it looks like okay, and we need to type get bash script sh. Oh, sorry. I will copy it and I will go back and the file. It should be okay, right? And let me examine this. Okay, ATC command looks like okay, and also yes, we can paste it. Okay, enter, and sbash bash script dot sh, yes, sq. I think we have a problem. We slurp numpy. Okay. We need to load model. I skipped this step, that's why we faced this error. I will load model, and it should.
It's fine either way. If you load them and then launch the bash script, you will have the environment of the modules inside of your job, and if you load them within the bash script, you will have them only inside your job and not.
Yes, and now it's worked. It worked, and we will.
Always like a particular job that can run before session crashes. Come back to this later.
We will type tail of slurp for.out. Yeah, now we complete the detection, and we have person, 2 person, and 1 T. And let's look at the, sorry, I need to move my screen. I will open the image to show you inference, offline, ACL underscore LOV3 underscore model. And yes, I will show, because I cannot see. Yes, let's look at this. Wow. Maybe there's the model looks like doesn't good. Let me check again. Hang on. I will look at the path again to be sure. Yeah, that's the output of our models. And if you want to see whole outputs, sorry, where is it? We can get our slurp for, yeah, that is our full outputs on the image and our input image, hang on, where is it? So this is our input image and this is our output image. So maybe we can try another image on the cluster.
Is it possible to get the red labels in the green boxes bigger or readable?
Yeah, I can do it. No problem.
It's not really readable. That's for something different, but it's not readable. No.
Oops.
There is something really.
Can you do it?
Yeah. It's so bad to see.
Obviously, not going to find the access name.
No.
Okay. Let's try and model ls we batch such we can comment it this line because we have already OM model. Just we will try our new object detect.py.
Yeah, with some creativity you can do that you always this time.
S batch SQ I think let's
Is it inference?
yes.
It's running for a long time. 3 or 4 minutes. Let's do.
Let's look at output. Wow, why we cannot get? No, still is remove. Oh, sorry, we maybe cat slarm 9. Okay, but there is a okay star dot out. I think. Okay, why didn't work? Actually, I wonder maybe I can try on this. Hang on, give me 2 or 3 minutes to change. We didn't write it right, that's why we didn't change a bounding box color. We can BGR, R, okay, let's save and let's try it again. S H oh, we need to model S H okay, SQ, oh sorry, okay, cat, all right, let's why we cannot, we didn't change, oh, I don't know why, but so I tried to change a boundary box color, but it didn't work. Yeah, we can pass because it works very well. Just try to modify boundary box color. Probably it is into not source, maybe. I didn't find colors. Yeah, okay. Okay, all right. And we can pass Serkan presentation stage. Actually, he will cover 3 topics: Mind Studio, Minds Dix, and also MindX, and also MindSpore. After do this, he will explain. He will show some hands-on. Actually, this hands-on related to training. He will show TensorFlow training and also TensorFlow online inference. I didn't explain it before, but Huawei also supports online and offline inference. You know, you learned that offline inference means we have to use OM model, and online inference means you can use directly PyTorch or TensorFlow or MindSpore model on our device. So that means we can use directly TensorFlow model on our device without convert or without porting, apply porting, and we support these steps for both chips. For example, A310 and A910. But when it comes to PyTorch and MindSpore, we didn't. We cannot support for now on A310. Just A910 chip supports online inference for MindSpore and PyTorch models. That's why I really focused on offline inference. But after my section, Serkan will explain these details, and he will give some hands-on. And if we catch our schedule and after Serkan, our colleagues Alper will give some hands-on on Mindspore and also PyTorch. These two hands-on will be related to training, and yes, that's it. Please, Serkan.